In this video, we are going to clean my chain using my favorite tool called the chain pig. Oink oink. You will need a chain cleaning device like chain pig and some degreaser cleaner like pig juice. The first thing you do to use a chain pig is you squeeze the eyeballs and then put it on. Next, you put some pig juice in it. Then you get the tail and push it all the way back to right here so it doesn't pull. You don't have to hold on it. And then you spin it. Next, you take the pigtail off. And then squeeze the eyes, and then you dispose the pig juice. Oink oink. Brushing his teeth. No body wash. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, like and subscribe to our channel.